Daring to repair. What is it? Who does it? And why? What is repair in relationships? It's not starting anew. It's not jumping ship. It's not settling either. It takes as many forms as there are relationships. It's difficult. It matters. It takes both sides to do it, and we do it all the time, in large and small ways. So why don't we like to talk about it? Why do we tend to think of it as a failure rather than a source of resilience, like the constant re-equilibrations of balance that allow us to walk, dance, break bread, and move mountains? In this intriguing anthology of poetry, memoir, and story, 45 talented writers, ages 20 to 80, explore repair in many forms, between adults and their parents, parents and their children, in romantic relationships, marriage, divorce, bereavement because of the death of a spouse, a parent, or grandchild, and in relationship to broader social conditions as well, like poverty, addiction, racism, war, physical differences, disease. With humor, grief, wit, tenderness, honesty, kindness, anger, and hope, they invite us to explore and celebrate what it takes for all of us to stay connected. This is a book you can find yourself in. This is a book you can share with a brother, a long-lost friend, or one you talk with daily, a parent, a child, a colleague, a spouse, and learn something new about them and yourself, growing closer in the process.